Hey guys, day 55. Let me show you what I want to try to get done today. Actually, I want to show you this right here. This is part of the old floor that I cut out. I'm going to use it as a template. I'm going to pull the shifter off and the console bracket on the front. I'm going to use that as my template. So I can take that off, set it right in there. I'll drill it all out. And these right here, those are, I think they're called like rib nuts or something like that. But, I'll drill them and I'll reset the original rib nuts right here. And, this way it's kind of all where it's supposed to be, I guess. I'm hoping to maybe get the carpet in, get the seat belts in, things like that. The back seat's just lying there. So I'm going to pull the back seat out. And I got to do the back trim, the back window trim. I got to do that in there. And I'm just going to keep plugging away. I mean, if I can get that done, it's not going to be a long day, but if I can get that done, I might start just doing some of the layout on all the wiring that I got to do. It looks kind of crazy, but it's not. It's really not. I mean, here's the original box right there. And on the other side of that box, in the engine compartment, it's a front wiring harness, headlight wiring harness, and then it's two harnesses that come out. One's for the headlights and the other one's for the motor. But I'll show you that as I go along. It's pretty simple. That's why I like using those. But actually, something else I got to do. I'm going to do that now. I'm going to start on that. Is when I was doing these doors, there's a rod that runs along in here, and it sticks up here. It's right here. It slides in there. This comes up. And this lever right here is a lever that you push up and down over here to lock and unlock the door. I forgot I had that. It was in the box. I'm slowly starting to go through all the boxes that I have. So I'm going to get started on that, and here we go. I want to show you what I did. If I can get this to work here. Right over here, here's that lever. Right here. You push it down. It works. That lock in there. You can see it. And inside there is where it attaches to. And that's how you unlock it and lock it. It's really, really simple. There's nothing to it, actually. So, alrighty, let me keep going. Hey guys, before I get started on this, I just want to show you something. See these plugs right here? There's 4 in the car. 1, 2, 3, and 4. A lot of people take these and they put them in like that. That's not the way they go in. That's the way they go in. Here's a factory one. That's a factory one right there. A lot of people put them in upside down. I think the reason behind it is for the carpeting, so you don't see that indentation. So I just wanted to show you that. And something else I want to show you. These right here, they're like the gutter guards. Like they go in right here to hide this and to protect it. And when the carpet comes up, it just gives it a better transformation right here. See the way it comes up? Like this will go down. And then it gets screwed down right in there. And then this one interlocks. And then it just finishes down over there. So you have this right here. And the same on the driver's side. Right here, like those panels right there, convertibles are different. A convertible, this will come here and then it kind of jets out and then drops. It's really, really, it's a lot different, I guess, because of the framing in a convertible compared to a hardtop. So I just wanted to show you that. I got to take the door panels off. I just got to clean them up because right here, where it comes up and it's bent back in here, you pull that back out, and then these clips, that piece of trim right there, that's how it fastens the front of the door panel. But all right, I just want to show you that, and I'm going to get started. This way, kind of have an idea what I'm doing. Okay, so alrighty, let's get started. right, before I keep going, I just want to show you what I do. I set all of my seatbelt bolts on both sides, and I put my screws in for the seat. This way I'm not fishing around for it. You know, I just find out where the screw is and I put a little size in there and it just pops right through. Something to show you on 69. I showed a long time ago. 69 is the only year in the first gen that had double bolts. There. 67s had single. I mean, only having 1, 2, 3, 4, as opposed to having 8. 68, I believe, is also 4. I don't believe they have 8. I just figured I'd show you that. I guess the reason behind it is so you could set the seat back, I guess an inch back, maybe for a taller person. All right. I just want to show you what I did. This is a template from the floor that I cut out of the car. I took that out of the original floor pan. And these are all the holes that I need for the floor shifter, for the console bracket, things like that. I find it easy. I just take it, I'll spray paint over the holes, and then we go. Right there. It makes it easy for me. You know, I figured help you out. But alrighty, let me keep moving. remember I was telling you where the harness is? That's where the interior light and the intermediate harness, that's where they plug in. And this line runs down, it comes around all the way to here. Here's your side marker light. Here's your brake light, or blinker, reverse light, brake light. And then the same over here. Brake light, reverse light, blinker, and right over here, that's your other directional. That's how easy these setups go in. They're just plug and play. I'll take that intermediate line right there. That'll come all the way up to this fuse box right here. And there's a plug over here. Like all the way around. Here's the harness right there. Like it all plugs in together. And then the same for the engine harness and for the front headlight harness. It's just all plug and play. It's not individual wires where you have to take one to another. I mean, they might be, I don't even know. I mean, they might be a little bit more money, but oh my gosh, the headache it'll save you. Alrighty? Alright, well, let me keep going. I just wanted to show you what I was doing. Hey guys, it's the end of the day. I don't want to make it a long day because tomorrow's Mother's Day, so I only wanted to come out here for a couple of hours today. And like I said, a couple hours here, a couple hours there, it gets it to the end. So let's go over what I did. Well, I did these locks right there. I did them on both doors. I got, here, let me see, right over here. Oh, grab this. I got the carpet in. I got the trim around the back window, the window handles. I got the seat belts in on both sides with the retractors. I got the rear seat belts in on both sides. The car comes with actually 3 sets of seat belts not 3 sets. It comes. The car actually comes with seat belts for 3 people. I didn't put the other seat belt in because you really can't get 3 people in the back of this thing. So that's why you only see 2 and 2. Normally you would see another one coming out and another one coming out. So, but they're not. These cars, I don't care what anybody says, they're not 5-seaters. They're 4-seaters at most. So I also got these window handles. The easiest way is I put the clips on them. I think it's really the only way you could do it. And the thing is, these plastic clips, you put them right over like this, and then you pop them on. The reason for this plastic clip, it's so it doesn't ruin the panel. You know, it'll roll nice and smooth on there. So that's pretty much it. I mean, I know a lot of people, they throw them out, but they don't want to be bothered with it, I guess, so they're not really sure. They go to put it on, sometimes they'll put it on like this, so like they can't figure out what's going on with it. You know, but I don't know. You know, I put them on there when I get them. What else did I do? I did the corner pieces in the back, over there and over there. I did. Oh, here's the other end of that harness. The back harness right there. Let me show you this. I showed you before. That's what this plugs into. And this right here is what plugs into the steering column, and it works all the directionals and everything. So it's really kind of a plug and play. This is what goes into the gauges on the bottom. You know, the idiot lights, I guess they call them. You know, I'm going to show you as I put it together how it actually it's a plug and play. It really is. You just snap it together. So this one's a little more involved because it's got the console gauges and everything. So there's an extra harness in there for that. And I think, and a little bit more for the AC, but not much more. I mean, a standard car with no air conditioning in it, has a little bit less wiring because you're not doing the gauges of the AC. But this is pretty much it. I just wanted to do a quick video, on how the car's coming out, because tomorrow's Mother's Day, and happy Mother's Day to everybody. And, I hope you enjoy these videos. I do enjoy making them. And as always, take care of yourselves, okay?